What is up, my friends? So today we're talking about you and your stainless steel appliance, specifically how to clean it and polish it with confidence. So cleaning stainless steel can be quite inconsistent, and the reason why is because every finish is different depending on the brand and the type of steel that was used in the manufacturing process. Some brands use a higher quality steel, other brands not so much, and there's this constant debate about what is the best stainless steel cleaner. You go to the cleaning aisle of the store and there's 3, 4, 5 different stainless steel cleaners all saying pick me, pick me, pick me. Well, what do you do about this flood of fervency? What about Zepp? What about Wyman? What about WD-40 Method stainless steel cleaner? What about the DIY stainless steel cleaner that contains the vinegar or the dish soap? The answer is yes. My friends, after 16 years of cleaning houses for a living, the answer is yes. They all work. I'm going to give you 2 of my favorites in this video. I'm going to give you a DIY, chemical-free, all-natural way, and I'm going to give you a store-bought, one-hitter-quitter way. How's that sound? The reason why people argue, this method is the greatest ever, no it sucks, quit lying on YouTube, and there's this constant back and forth, is because bottom line, it depends on the finish and the type of steel that was used in the manufacturing process. And the only way you're going to find out which one works best for you and your appliance is to experiment. So the brand Zepp, the Zepp stainless steel cleaner, works amazing on some finishes. And on other finishes, it is the worst ever. And it's the same plight regardless of which method you go with, regardless whether you go store-bought, oil-based, or you go some DIY recipe. You just have to use trial and error. I have never found one cleaner that works on every single finish 100% of the time, and neither have you. And if you have, well, I don't know what to say. Send me some. Okay, so let's get into this. How to clean stainless steel appliances. Let's start with the DIY method. If you have really greasy areas on the fridge, lots of greasy fingerprints, splotches around the handles or just on certain little areas, what you need is a microfiber cloth. All you gotta do is get it damp with some water, hot water, warm water, whatever, and go with the grain and the fingerprints should come off. If they're stuck and you need a little more pop or whatever, just grab some dish soap. Get you a little dish soap in there and it'll remove those greasy fingerprints. Go with the grain, horizontal. If the grain's horizontal, horizontal. If the grain is vertical, go vertical. And it will remove those fingerprints, no harm, no foul. Simple. So let's say you're not a fan of dish soap. You want to use something else. Go to Target, grab this little spray bottle for like $1. Blue, green, red, whatever, pink, take your pick. Fill it up with 1 part vinegar, 1 part water. Spray the stainless steel fridge down, get your microfiber cloth, and then go with the grain. Wiping down the entire fridge and it will clean the fridge, removing any type of greasy fingerprints or whatever else you find on there. So after you clean the fridge, a lot of people like to polish it afterwards. They like it to be shiny, right? So sticking with our DIY, chemical-free, get rid of the expensive store-bought chemicals, right? Get you a separate bottle for $1, separate microfiber cloth, and in your separate bottle, what you're going to do is fill it up with 1 part rubbing alcohol to 1 part water. And you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to spray the fridge down, get your microfiber cloth, and wipe with the grain, and it will polish that stainless steel. Now, let's say if you prefer to buy a store-bought cleaner. Maybe you just like the idea of buying a cleaner, one-hitter-quitter, don't have to worry about mixing, don't have to worry about any of that stuff. You just want to buy something off the shelf, right? Okay, fine. Here's one I really like. Zepp, as I mentioned. Zepp stainless steel cleaner. I've been using this for a long time. This one works on the majority of finishes that I have found. It's an oil-based cleaner polish, so it does both at the same time. The only difference with it is I don't like to use microfiber. I don't like to get chemicals in my microfiber cloths. I just use a regular washcloth, a regular cotton cloth for this. So I buy a bundle of these for a couple bucks from Walmart. And it's just real simple. When you have a little square cloth like this, you can fold it up, right? Fold it in half, and then you can fold it in half again. And all you're going to do, personal preference, you can spray the fridge with the Zep or you can just spray the cloth directly. But the idea is to spray it here, right? Use this area, and then what you can do is you can flip it over to the other side. You can use this side, right? And then what you can do is you can fold it like this, right? And you can do this side, and you can use this side of the cloth. And that's 4 sections. And if you use those 4 sections of the cloth, you should have no problem getting through your entire fridge or dishwasher or whatever it is that, you know, you're shining up. So that is it, my friends, how to clean your stainless steel appliances. If you liked it, you found it valuable, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Really helps out the video. And if you want to know how to clean your glass stovetop, click the video right here on the screen, and I will see y'all. Hurry on over. I'll see y'all in the next video.